takes you back into history.
The event was graced by Ministers Professor G.L. Piris, Basil Rajapaksa and Subject Minister Rajda Senaratne and was attended by representatives of IOTC member states.
His vision to develop.
It is important for developing countries to think much more seriously about South-South trade and South-South cooperation. I think this is very important if we are to serve the vital economic needs of our burgeoning populations. Today it is a regrettable reality that many of the fisheries resources of the developing world are taken away by other countries who derive a substantial part of the economic benefits. Many developing countries do not have the facilities, trawlers, ships and so on, to exploit these resources, and they have quite readily agreed to hand over these stocks to other countries, and these other countries do the filleting, the canning, the value addition, and it is only a negligible portion of the economic benefits that ultimately accrue to developing nations to which these fisheries resources actually belong. I think this is a matter that we need to concentrate on and to find the technology and the economic resources to do the value addition ourselves so that we can extract this benefit for the amelioration of the economic conditions of our people.
Technological developments in fishing in the 60s and 70s give rise to virtual killing machines which were able to hunt fish with much speed and efficiency in any ocean, taking thousands of tons of fish in one run. Even at this very moment, hundreds of much improved mega fishing vessels are being designed and built in many parts of the world to hunt the already depleted fish stocks in our oceans. When we consider the fact that more than 75% of the marine stocks are overfished and another 12% are fully utilized as per FAO, it is difficult to justify such action. In contrast, even today, fleets belonging to most Indian Ocean coastal states are of more humble in nature. For example, Sri Lanka fleet largely consists of artisanal multi-day vessels totaling around 2,800. Fish provides over 70% of the animal protein intake of our people. The north and the east accounted for about half the country's fish production in the 70s. We witnessed a drastic drop in production from these areas as a result of the unsettled conditions which prevailed. Our government is now doing all what it can to redevelop these areas through improved infrastructure and re-establishing the agricultural and fisheries sectors to form a glory or even to a higher pedestal.